What's the difference between a pre-approved or a pre-qualified mortgage? Well, if you've been wondering that, you're not going to want to miss this. Welcome to another episode of Southwest Florida Life and Real Estate. My name is Patty Roper. I'm a realtor here in Southwest Florida with Coldwell Banker. And today I'm hiking the John Ringling Causeway, which spans the bay to St. Armands and Lido Keys. But first, let's talk with local loan expert Christa Sweeney. We're meeting at the Bayfront Park to get the scoop on pre-approval versus pre-qualification. Welcome.
Thank you.
Thanks so much for being here.
I'm happy to be here.
So what does pre-approved mean for a mortgage?
So if someone is pre-approved for a mortgage, that means they have sat down with a loan officer or talked to a loan officer on the phone. They've allowed us to check their credit, they've signed some disclosures, given me all their supporting documentation, and I've moved the file to underwriting. An underwriter actually signs the pre-approval letter.
How is that different from pre-qualification?
So a pre-qualification is what I would do as a loan officer. Pre-approval can only be signed by an underwriter. A pre-qualification can be signed by a loan officer. Most loan officers do the same things. We run it through automated underwriting. We review it's very important that someone looks at your income documents and the scenario, knows your scenario. That makes it a stronger pre-qualification letter.
So about how long does it take for a mortgage pre-approval process?
The pre-approval process is longer because it has to go to underwriting. Probably a week to get a pre-approval letter versus a pre-qualification letter where I run it through the automated underwriting. I still want to verify, I still am going to pull credit, I still want to verify your income. I can get it done within a couple hours.
So with that pre-qualification, can a borrower just tell you their scenario and then end up with a pre-qualification?
There are some lenders that would sign a pre-qualification letter with just a conversation of a scenario. I personally don't like to do that because I do check credit. There could be things on your credit report that you don't know about that need to be addressed. I like to verify income because guidelines, the way they look at income could be different than what you're actually making. You know, maybe you don't have a 2-year history of part-time or commission or something like that. And I have had clients do both. I do the pre-qualification letter, then they go out and shop, but while they're out shopping, we still submit the file to underwriting. So it does help once they find that house. We may have already been through underwriting, then we just need title and appraisal and insurance. So you can do both. And okay. I think that's a great idea, especially if you're out shopping.
Thank you so much for joining us. Really appreciate it. We're here in Sarasota Bay, and it's just a lovely day. We're going to go for a little walk now. All right. Thanks so much for watching.
Thank you.
My name is Patty Roper, and I'm a realtor here in Sarasota and Venice, Florida. If you have any real estate related questions, please don't hesitate to give me a call. My number is right below. And if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the next episode in this wonderful series, Everything on Southwest Florida Life and Real Estate. Thanks so much for watching.